Hey everybody, it's Christina, the mobile home mama, and I'm so sad to say that this baby is going bye-bye in just a couple of days. She's been a good home for us. We call this the Rio. It's a 28 by 48 and part of our Prime Home series. Some really cool stuff that goes along with the Prime Home series, and that's shutters in the front. Those are included. A 2x6 wall standard with an R19 insulation, that's included. The walk-in shower's included. Just a lot of great stuff. Now the flip side to that is not a lot of customizations you can do here, but we built it really well from the beginning so that you don't have to do a bunch of customizations, and the price is right. For example, I've got this on clearance this month for $71,000, and you can see a good price like this most every month because we do this in many different sizes. So I try to rotate at least one Prime home at all times. Here we go, going into the front, just giving you a farewell tour of the Rio. This home's been so good to me that I did order an exact replacement, except I changed up the color. So stay tuned to see that. While we're talking, love to invite you and your family to the September annual open house, where we're gonna have a lot of cool stuff going on. Lenders, installers, big discounts. Hot dogs, me, Brittany, the whole team. Walking into the Rio, we've got a large, wide open living room. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. In the Prime homes, you're always gonna see a lino throughout, and currently it's our aged European oak here. Always a favorite. VOG wall is going to be the standard of the walls. Gotta tell you, I'll just put it out there, drywall is not allowed in this home. But we built it really great. We have added some additional things that we're doing this year that we didn't used to do. So if you take a look at the ceiling, we used to do these panels instead of full drywall. We are full drywall on the ceiling in the Prime homes. And also, you can add a patio door right here. So keep that in mind. Here's the kitchen. The thing about the Prime homes is the cupboards are much larger. The vanities are much larger than you see in the Aspire homes. So lots of storage space there, and perfect for shelving that you could install. Look how big that cabinet is. Just one cabinet right there. The island is included with very large cabinets in the island. And the only thing you're gonna see in here that I added that is an upgrade would be the microwave over the range, and then tucked over here is the dishwasher. Now, I've mentioned this a couple times in the videos. Champion Homes is company-wide stainless steel now, so you're not gonna see any more black appliances for anything rolling off the line after July the 4th. We've got a back door here, and then the utility room right beside it. Now this is an extra large expanded utility room. So even after you have your washer and dryer here, you are gonna have some more space. And then you've got all the space over here as well to be able to put hooks or cabinets, or, you know, however you can get creative with your storage. That's a good spot to do it. Furnace door, that's a standard feature. Water heaters tucked back behind here also. 30-gallon is the standard. You can add upgrade to a 40-gallon if you would like. A lot of people do that. Knobs are part of the Prime Plus package. That's a standard feature of the home. A laminate backsplash, also part of the Prime Plus package. No matter what, folks, you always want to protect the wall from splashing water. Always, always, always. No matter if you're doing drywall or you're doing a VOG wall, make sure you have some kind of a backsplash. It's a minimal investment. Here we go, bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3, and bath number 2. Pretty typical secondary bath. You're gonna have the tub shower combination with your oversized vanity. That's the nice thing about the Primes. Hi, great to see you guys. And then right next door, we've got bedroom number 2. Perfect size if you have a little one. And then here's the closet for that. Rounding the corner off with bedroom number 3. I would estimate these bedrooms are pretty close in size, maybe an inch or 2 off, but between your kids won't fight too much about who gets the bigger bedroom, because one bedroom is not much larger than the other. So there's that. And then finally over here in the master bedroom area, I got all the furniture out of here, but when I had furniture in it, it was cute. I mean, you can do some really cool things with color. If you're still with me, would you agree master bath. Now the thing about the shower, okay, we've done a couple things in here now that's an improvement, okay? We've added 2 sinks, so that's no charge. We have a larger shower now. And what we've done is we took the seats out of the shower because everybody was complaining about, being confined and having those seats in there if they didn't need them. So we just took them out. And then you have an optional door here if you would like to add it. I would recommend you don't, just because if you notice how wide open that is and how much larger it makes your bathroom, when you close that off, if you go take a look at a video that I did, where did I do that at? In the Cartersburg. We put the optional door in and it really confines you. The nice thing, you got a window right in your closet, and I think that's a great feature. And then his and hers, or hers and hers, his and his, whatever you guys have going on. Plenty of closet space there. So say bye-bye. Rio, you have been so good to me. I know that's a song somewhere. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope to see you guys at the open house. And as always, I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thank you so much for watching.